When planning to grow a small sunflower plant, select a spot that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Sunflowers turn their heads to follow the sun, maximizing energy absorption for optimal growth. Ensure the chosen spot is sheltered from strong winds to prevent damage in the early stages. Sunflowers prefer well-draining, nutrient-rich soil. Before planting, mix in some organic compost to enrich the soil with necessary nutrients. A pH level ranging from 6.0 to 7.5 is ideal for sunflowers. Ensuring your soil is well prepared not only supports robust growth, but also enhances the plant's ability to withstand pests and diseases. Sunflowers prefer deep, infrequent watering to shallow, frequent splashes. Aim to water the base of the plant to encourage deep root development. Once established, sunflowers are remarkably drought-tolerant, but it's important to maintain regular watering during extended dry spells, especially when the flowers are forming and until they begin to bloom. For smaller varieties, seeds should be sown about 6 inches apart to allow enough room for growth.